In Monospos Developer, you can use the actions which are predefined in the library. We will explain this topic with a sample predefined action, named as Action Reset Words. Later, you can apply the same principles we describe here, to use other predefined actions. Let's start explaining the use of Action Reset Words. When you create a new post processor, you will see several Action Reset Words already added to your post processor. If you want to add a new Action Reset Words to an event, you need to right-click on the Actions item inside the event where you want to add your action. Then, you should select Add from Library option in the pop-up window that appears. All available predefined actions will be listed. I will select Action Reset Words now and press Add button. You will immediately see the action you added here on this list. Action Reset Words is used to reset the words which are used inside commands. When you click on the action you want, its editing screen will be displayed on the bottom left. The editing screen for Action Reset Words displays two different lists of words. The left shows all available words that have not yet been reset in the action. The list on the right shows all the words selected for reset. You must move the word you want to reset from the list on the left to the list on the right. And if you want to cancel the reset of a word, you have to move it back to the left list. Let's now show how resetting affects the NC program. First, I will generate an NC program with default settings. Now I will cancel the reset of a word. Here on the right list, there is the word feed rate value, which is normally reset. Now, I will move it back to the left list to cancel its reset. Note that I am making this change inside Operation Start event. Let's regenerate a new NC program. Let's now compare the two results. As seen here, feed rate F2000 is not written in the newly generated NC program. This is because the last active feed rate before this operation was also F2000, and I deactivated the reset of feed rate value. Therefore, post processor thinks that the same feed rate, F2000, is still active at the start of the new operation. Let's now cancel the reset of another word, tool length offset number. I will move this word back to left side to cancel its reset. Note that, again I am making this change inside Operation Start event. Let's regenerate a new NC program. And let's compare the two results again. As seen here, tool length offset, H12 is not written in the newly generated NC program. This is because the last active tool before this operation was also T12, and I deactivated the reset of tool length offset number at Operation Start. Therefore, post processor thinks that the same tool length offset number, H12, is still active at the start of the new operation. Let's now look at a different example. I will open Format Motion Rapid command now. And I will add Coolant on word just after rapid movement. Let's regenerate a new NC program. And let's now compare the last two results. As you can see, Coolant on code M08 is added after rapid movement in the newly generated NC program. However, post processor didn't add the Coolant code after rapid movement at the start of second operation. This is because Coolant on word currently is not reset at operation starts. To write Coolant code at the start of second operation, I will move Coolant on word to the right list. Note that, again I am making this change inside Operation Start event. And I will regenerate a new NC program. Let's compare the two results again. Now, you will start seeing M08 at the beginning of the second operation, since I reset this word at Operation Start event. Keep in mind that you can use action reset words in all other events, other than operation start, as well. You can also use the other predefined actions in the library in a similar way. To see the complete list of predefined actions in Monospos Developer, and to learn the meanings of them, you can look at the Actions section in the Help menu.